Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I am standing in front of the all-new 2019 Chevy Equinox. Now this does have the chrome grille with the black Chevy decals. Now this vehicle was used in our loaner service, and Apple Chevy is offering $500 off of the price because of that, while also giving you another $1,000 in bonus cash. Now this vehicle only has 2,730 miles on it. It is a front wheel drive LS. Now customers can also earn an additional $1,500 if they choose to finance through GM Financial. Now when we get in this car, we can see that we do have cloth interior mixed with black. Here is our back seat. Now we do have our standard Chevy MyLink radio, cruise control, and standard dash. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Have a great day.